finish work. Hold on. I don't know why I always start my videos off with looking a mess, but I was supposed to vlog today. I went to work, but I had to leave work early to come home. But right now I am doing my hair. Today is Friday. My flight is Saturday night, and I'm doing my hair currently. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna retwist it and curl it. I'm gonna use pipe cleaners. Pipe cleaners have my curls tight, so I'm gonna use pipe cleaners. And for the rest of the night, I wanted to do my hair today. I wanted to do my hair, and I wanted to do my lashes and do my toes. But currently it is 9:05, and I know I'm gonna be up all night just to finish all of this, because tomorrow I do have a client here that I have to do, so which is why I'm not doing my nails, because he has short hair and I need to grip it. Excuse my dog, he's making noise. I really look crazy. He wants attention. You say hi? What's the matter? What do you want? Nothing. You don't want nothing. You just making a whole bunch of noise. What do you want? But I still have this much left to do. He just jumped up here. He's so annoying. But I have this much left to do, which is, it's really not a lot. It's just the top of my head. The back is, I'll show y'all the aftermath, but yeah. So I'm done with the retwists, and I have them in these ponytails, like sections, so I can start curling. I'm gonna start curling the ends. I don't know if I want to sit under the dryer for the retwist and then come back. No, I'm gonna just do it all together, because I'm gonna end up soaking my hair up with all that mousse for the curls. So I'm gonna just do it all at one time, and then I'm gonna sit under the dryer. So yeah. Disclaimer, I didn't record anything in New York. I came on the plane and there was a baby crying the whole time. And when I landed, I didn't remember anything about the camera. So I don't have any footage like that. But whatever I have, I will insert into the video. Let alone, I don't know how my foolish self left the house with no jacket, but I had a second sweater and I'm trying to make it do what it do. It was freezing cold. I'm going to New York. One thing about New York weather, it don't play. But good thing enough, my sister let me borrow her jacket for the rest of the time, me being there, which is a plus. So I'm heading back home, and it's like 3 something in the morning. Bruh, this bothers me so bad. Ah! It's like 3 in the morning, and no, it's 4. It just turned 4 o'clock because my alarm went off. But I'm going back home to North Carolina, so I can finally have my peace. New York, apparently I got there and it was snowing. it started snowing and it was sticking. So yeah, your girl gotta get up out of there. I was ready to go home, I'm not gonna lie. And I got my car fixed, so I'm going home to peace. But my dog got a doctor's appointment when I land, so gotta do that. So I got on a plane and I was looking at the seats and I realized somebody was in my seat. Goes to find out they double booked the seat. So I was moved to the back, which I was low-key tight about, but I had the whole row to myself, so I couldn't be that mad. I don't know if you guys can see me or hear me, but I am on my way to work. I am going to be a little bit late because it's currently 4:52 and I was supposed to leave the house at 4:30, but that's besides the point. I'm on my way to work and you guys are going to come along with me. Oh, y'all can see me now. Y'all can barely see me, but yeah, I'm on my way to work. Come on. There it goes. So I'm at work now, and I had to use the bathroom. But I'm at work now, and I'm gonna have you guys watch me. I'm gonna have you watch me. I'm real ashy, so I'm gonna wash my hands and oil up. But I'm gonna have you guys watch me do whatever work that we have. Lately it has been slow. So let's see what work we have. So come on. I'm about to break it, but it look like it's gonna be broke. Only one. She her cornbread. I look crazy, but my eyebrows need to be done. I just finished work, and I think I'm gonna go get McDonald's. I don't know yet, probably, because I gotta pick my mama up, but she don't finish work just yet. So I think that's where I'm heading. And it's currently 1:25, so I don't know what else I'm doing for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna go work on my business, my beauty business, and do my sister's hair. So other than that, I don't know. Probably take a nap, which I know I am. I don't know what else, but I don't know. So let's see where the wind take us. I don't know. But it's a nice day outside. Sky blue. I think I'm gonna walk my dog. He probably in the house tearing it up, but let's go.
Oh, I'm not gonna be mad. We didn't get her anything.
She been home all day. So, I didn't end. I didn't do an outro, so I'm doing it now. As I'm editing my video, I was like, I don't have an outro, so don't forget to like, subscribe, press the notification button, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.